I'm Kim. I'm with 626 Ohana, California, and today I'm opening December's Bibbidi box. Well, kind of. And I say that because it's actually November's box, but I didn't get it till December 8th, and we've kind of been behind on their schedule. Like, we get, I guess I should explain with Bibbidi, we get charged the first week of every month, and we do a preference list in like a week later. I always sign up on my preference list the day it comes out, and the preference list is kind of like a wish list, like what you'd really like in your box. It doesn't mean you're gonna get them in your box, but Bibbidi says those that fill out your preference list first are the first to ship out. Well, I did it on the day that that's released, and my box didn't ship out until late November 30th, and I got it December 8th. So I think going forward, we're gonna have to call this a December box. We're gonna do it because it's just so far past November. From now on, we're just gonna skip ahead and call it the month afterwards. All right, if you can tell, I'm not really thrilled about that fact. Anyway, so we're gonna get ahead and open up this. I have the Ultimate Magic Bibbidi box, and it's $119. So we'll get into it. And I'll let you guys know if I get my preference list. I have a feeling because things were left over from this month, I didn't get a lot of my preference list, so we'll see. It says happy birthday. November was my birthday month, so you're supposed to get stuff that's a little extra special. All right, so the first thing we get is this little envelope. I like these envelopes. I use them for other stuff, and they're really cute. But we'll put this because it's our spoiler sheet. All right, so going in, first thing I see is a pen. So this is the limited edition, for the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World. I like that, because you could only get this if you were in the parks, and I'm sure by the time we go back for the 50th, these would have been gone. So that's really cute. And this was on my wish list. All right. Ooh. Jim Shore. Aww. It's a little Stitch. He was not on my wish list, but he's so cute. Look at his little expression. Aw. Okay, and now for the big thing in the box. Okay, so this is a little Stitch Loungefly mini backpack. This was not on my list. I'm kind of not a fan of the backpacks that have these big floppy things because they always kind of bend. If you could see, the duckies kind of bent back. So I'm not, yeah, it wasn't on my wish list. So it's cute. Oh, I might use this, might do a giveaway, I don't know. So it has a front zipper, and the lining is super cute. It's got ducks, but let's look at the big lining because it's easier to see. Aww. I don't know if you guys see the little ducks. All right, so let's get into the spoiler sheet. Oh, I wish I was home for the holidays. Okay, so first thing, have the best birthday ever. Wishing you a magical birthday with love, the Bibbidi fam, Brenda, Becky, Amanda, and Trish. So thank you guys for the card. Here we go. We have the packing list. Just so you guys remember, the Ultimate Magic box is $119, just to keep that in mind as we go through this. Your box was curated with love by Amanda. Happy birthday. You got one Disney tradition, Jim Shore, Stitch Ohana means family. And this little guy was $30. Disney Parks exclusive 50th anniversary, October 1st, 2021 Castle Trading Pin was $17.99. You know it's a Disney Parks exclusive because it has a little pink dot on the back. And the Loungefly Disney Lilo and Stitch Storytime Duckies mini backpack was $80, and the total was $127.99. So this is, I mean, I got a really great value, and probably one of the better values than usually what we get, probably because it was my birthday month. So that's Stitch. There was nothing on the back, so there was no designs, or sometimes they've been doing stuff like that in the back. Got this little adorable guy. All right, so I'm curious to see what your favorite thing is in here. I think my favorite thing was a little Stitch Jim Shore. He's so cute. So comment below what you thought was the cutest thing in here. Please like, subscribe, and follow along with our Ohana. And with that, I'm gonna say goodbye and find your magic. Bye, everyone.